Brahma's teachings to Sage Marichi, the power of karma and Dharma. Hey there, welcome back. Let me tell you a story, not a long one, just a moment between two beings. One, the creator of the universe, and the other, a wise sage searching for answers. And tucked inside this quiet exchange, life-changing wisdom about karma, Dharma, and how we live our lives. Let's dive into one of the most powerful conversations from the Brahma Purana, when Brahma shares his teachings with Sage Marichi. And trust me, this isn't just for monks or philosophers. This is about you, me, and the choices we make every single day. So who's Marichi? He's one of the first-born sages created directly by Brahma. A being of immense purity, clarity, and hunger for truth. One day, Marichi asks the ultimate question: how should one live? What is the right way to act in this world? And Brahma doesn't give some mystical or vague answer. He breaks it down into two timeless concepts: karma, your actions; dharma, your duty. Now don't worry. These aren't complicated spiritual ideas. Let's make them real. Karma is simple. What you do matters. Every thought, every action, every word you say, it leaves a ripple. It's not about punishment or reward. It's about cause and effect. Do good, and you shape the world and yourself in a positive way. Act carelessly, and the mess circles back to you. Brahma tells Marichi, your karma is your companion. Think about that. Not your job, not your reputation, not your bank account, but your actions. They follow you. You take them into tomorrow, into relationships, into every new beginning. So the big question becomes, what kind of karma are you creating today? Now let's talk about Dharma. If karma is what you do, Dharma is why you do it. It's your inner compass, your sense of duty, your values, your role in the bigger picture. But Dharma isn't one size fits all. A teacher's Dharma is different from a soldier's. A parent's Dharma is different from a student's. And your Dharma today may shift tomorrow. It's about tuning into the situation, asking, what's the most honest, responsible thing I can do right now? And here's the cool part. Brahma tells Marichi, even small acts done in alignment with Dharma are greater than big acts done for ego or show. It's not about being perfect. It's about being conscious. Choosing honesty when lying is easier. Doing what's right when no one's watching. Owning your mistakes and learning from them. This is real spirituality. Lived, not preached. Let's be real. We all face tough decisions. Do I speak up or stay silent? Do I take the shortcut or the high road? Do I do what's easy or what's right? And this is where Brahma's message hits home. He says to Marichi, your life is your creation. Just like I created the cosmos, you create your world through karma and dharma. You are the creator of your life experience. So the big takeaway? You're not powerless. You're not stuck. You always have a choice in what you do and why you do it. That's the teaching. And it's just as relevant in 2025 as it was in ancient times. So next time you're in a tough spot, facing a decision, a conflict, a challenge, pause and ask yourself, what kind of karma am I creating here? What does my Dharma ask of me in this moment? Because when you act from that space, not fear, not impulse, but awareness, you're not just surviving life, you're shaping it. Just like Brahma shapes the universe, you shape your reality, one choice at a time. In the next video, we'll explore how Brahma actually begins creation, through intention, thought, and sound. It's a beautiful journey into the spiritual science of manifestation. But for now, carry this. Your karma is your companion. Your Dharma is your light. And your life is your creation. If this gave you something to reflect on, share it with a friend. Hit that like, subscribe, and ring the bell so you don't miss what's coming next. Until then, be mindful, be true, be the creator of your own path. See you soon.